Welcome to Soft Pro Videos.
In this video, we will discuss about Java applets. At the end of this video, you will be able to define the concept of applet in Java, explain paint method in Java applet. Applets are small internet applications which are located on the server side. Applets are transported over the internet. These programs automatically install and run as part of a web document. On the client side, client has limited access to resources while using the applet applications. An applet can produce a graphical user interface and run simple as well as complex computations without getting affected by viruses. The applet begins with two statements: Abstract Window Toolkit class and Simple Applet class. The AWT class provides the window-based graphical user interface, and Applet class provides the paint method which contains the graphics contents and graphic environment of programs. This class is used whenever the applet output is required. Whenever an applet is created, it undergoes a series of changes from initialization to destruction. Various changes of an applet life cycle are as follows. In newborn state, the new applet is created. It is activated by init method. When the start method called the applet achieves a run state, an applet becomes in idle state when its execution is stopped by either explicitly or implicitly. In dead state, applet is destroyed when it gets removed from the memory. This can be done by destroy method. Paint method takes a java.awt graphics object as a parameter which has multiple methods of drawing on the applet window. In this method, the programmer can write the assumed animation code. Paint method is equivalent to the runnable state in a thread life cycle, but it is not considered as the part of Java applet life cycle. There are some advantages of Java applets as follows. The same applet program runs on all installed versions of Java at the same time. If the latest version of the Java runtime environment JRE is required, then a client can be forced to be patient during the download. It's possible to move the work from the server to the client. If a standalone program runs on a web server, then it needs supporting prior versions for users which have not kept their client software updated. The applet naturally supports changing user state and make compatible display ratio. Programmers develop and debug an applet direct simply by creating an applets class or a separate class and calling init and start on the applet. Java applets are quick in nature and can have similar performance to installed natively software. Java applets have some disadvantages such as database interaction, business rules, data validation, or authentication are easily hackable if they are done with JavaScript or applet. Applet requires Java plugin to run. Browsers that support Apple iOS or Android do not support Java applets. Some applets require a specific JRE, which is not possible always. If an applet needs a newer JRE, then the user can have to wait until complete download. The applets with specific requirements are impossible to run if Java installation fails. If a proxy server is used, it needs manual updating. The applet contents does not have any standard to make it available to screen readers. Let's have a quick recap on what we discussed. Applets are small internet applications. These applications are located on the server side. The client has limited access to resources for the applet applications. Applet uses two classes, AWT class and Simple Applet class. The applet lifecycle consists of 5 methods: init method, start method, paint method, stop method, and destroy method.
Thank you for watching this video. To join more courses, call our course advisors now or download the eStudy Zone app today.